Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm from Canada. And I just spent a couple nights at the Arts Factory Backpackers in Byron Bay. And it's quite a cultural experience. I really don't know where to start with it. When you walk in, there's loads of culture when you get in. It's quite clean. There's different places where you can stay at that hostel. There's a giant teepee with about 11 beds, and it's really nice inside. Then there's something called the wagon, which is what we stayed in, and it just looks like an old Western style wagon. And there's 10 beds in there. There are other, I guess, tents that are over top of a swamp. The whole hostel, the whole backpackers is around a like a little pond swamp. It doesn't smell. That's the first thing that I think of when I think of a swamp is it smells, but it's actually it's quite nice. And there's tents that you can stay in. There's either single tents with queen-size beds or multiple beds in these different tents. They're like little huts. They're not tents. They're more like huts. And then there is an area with a whole bunch of tents. So if you just want to go and pitch up a tent and camp out, you're more than welcome to do that as well. They've got activities every night. They had a talent show while we were there. They've got a pool table, picnic table. They've got arcade games. And they also have a shuttle that takes you into the town, and it runs very regularly. And if in the evenings, if you don't want to cook your own meal, they do have a little cafe there. It serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. $6 dinner, it's a good deal. And if you don't want to eat there at the hostel, just walk 50 feet over, and it's at a local brewery which serves quite good quite good beer, and they have really good meal deals as well. So it's got a lot at the Arts Factory. Again, it is a cultural experience. There's a lot to see there. There's a lot to do. So if you want a change from the regular bed and sheets in a regular room, go to the Arts Factory and stay in a teepee.